Hey guys, this is my small Rubik's Cube, and so yeah, and this is 10 millimeters, and it took me all day, and so I'm gonna upload this video. Well, first I'm gonna color this black, probably. Then I'm probably gonna put stickers on. Then I'm probably gonna play with it. So I'm gonna, and I got this from Shapeways, and it moves like a Rubik's Cube, but this is really fragile. So that's all. So that's all I want to show you. And so I hope you guys like my video. And so see you guys later. Bye. So I'm gonna hold your horses. Hold it. Okay. I'm gonna put first. I'm gonna color it black. Then I'm gonna put stickers on. Then it's gonna be complete. So this is my end of the video now. So see you guys later. Bye.